This is the view from my hotel in Jaipur, and we're right in the middle of a monsoon right now. You can hear the wind out there, and it's just pouring. I can't open these windows. If I could, I would open them, but listen to the wind. Oh, there's some lightning. It's the middle of the night. I'll take some more videos of this same view during the day, but the monsoon is so loud, the wind, it woke me up, so I thought I would take a quick video. Can you imagine? Look at that. He's on a motorcycle in this rain. Incredible. This poor guy stuck in the water. Wanted to point something else out here. Look at the bottom of my window. See all these spikes? This is additional security. This is right on the outside of my hotel window. Every window has these spikes. And when you drive up to these hotels, the fancy ones, they have people who check your car for bombs. They have mirrors that they put under your car to make sure there aren't any bombs. You have to go through a metal detector to get into the hotel. It's very high security for these fancy places. And here's that same intersection in the daytime. That whole lake is pretty much cleared. It's actually turned into a fairly nice day. You can see the blue sky up here. The view. I've actually never seen this myself. It was cloudy and raining, so I haven't seen it until just now. This is Jaipur. This is actually quite a nice city.